All right, so I've bumped into this problem several times a year, and I think I should have a video of what you should do when you go to install a fuel pump. And a lot of things, one of the most common things that happens is they forget the collar, and it basically bleeds the fuel pressure back into the tank. And so when you go to load the tune or you go to drive the car basically ends up being lean. So ideally, I'd want to I'm shooting this video so that you can understand what to do and to make sure you don't forget this piece of the fuel pump installation. So here we go. I'm going to break it apart so we can see what it looks like from OEM, and just to show you the pieces that need to go back in order to install it correctly and to keep from having problems with fuel pressure. Ultimately, making it easier for your tuner to tune your car, or you to tune your car, or you to be able to drive your car without blowing it up. So, first thing we'll do is remove this clip here. Right down to the ground. So that's over there. That should release everything. So it does. Okay, so we should be able to pull this apart. Okay, once you separate the two pieces, see there's a connector. Pop that out. Set it to the side. All right, and now you have your fuel pump, which is set into the top of there. So let's, as you can see there. Prime down. So your fuel pump comes out. So what you'll notice is there's an O-ring there. You have to make sure that O-ring's in there. That's important. The only thing more important than that is this collar. So you see this collar here? So you take this and you remove it and you put it on your new pump. Because what happens if you don't have this collar, so again, here's your fuel pump and that O-ring, and when you go to, it's supposed to seat like this, pretty much, roughly about that is what it's gonna kind of seat to when you go to push it up in there. What happens is, if you don't have that collar on, it goes on and it pushes all the way down. So now, instead of your fuel pressure going through the top into there, it is now basically pressurizing and going right back into your fuel tank or into the fuel pump assembly, basically allowing you not to build enough fuel pressure, which can make your car run lean, or if you don't have it far enough up, it might not even start because you might not be able to get any fuel pressure. So when you go to install this on your AM340 or your WRX pump, make sure this collar is on the pump and the O-ring will seat correctly. So you don't have to do it like this. You can basically leave it inside here. Inside there. Now, when you go to shove your pump on, you don't have to worry about it pushing the O-ring down. This is important. Only reason why I'm shooting this video. So there you go.